we're diving into a fascinating topic that many people wonder about, but few truly understand. We're talking about the concept of chosen women, and no, this isn't about exclusive clubs or secret societies. It's about recognizing inherent qualities, a certain energy, and specific traits that many extraordinary women seem to share. Now, before we get started, let's be super clear. Every woman is incredible and holds immense power. This video isn't about creating hierarchies or saying some are better than others. It's about highlighting specific characteristics that can signify a woman who is deeply connected to her purpose, her intuition, and a powerful inner strength. Think of it as recognizing certain marks or traits that often accompany a woman who is destined to make a significant impact, not just in the world, but in the lives of those around her. These are subtle, often hidden signs that reveal a depth and resilience that's truly inspiring. So, if you've ever felt different, or sensed a calling, keep watching, because you might just recognize some of these in yourself or in women you admire. Let's jump right into the first hidden mark. Unwavering intuition. Have you ever had a gut feeling that just wouldn't quit? A strong sense about a situation or a person that turned out to be absolutely right, even when logic suggested otherwise. That's what we're talking about. Chosen women often possess an incredibly sharp intuition, almost like an internal compass that guides them. They listen to that inner voice, even when it's unconventional, and they've learned to trust it implicitly. It's not about being psychic. It's about a deep attunement to subtle energies and an ability to pick up on things that others miss. They can often sense unspoken truths, navigate complex social dynamics with ease, and make decisions that, while perhaps appearing risky to outsiders, feel inherently right to them. This isn't just a fleeting feeling. It's a consistent, reliable inner guidance system that helps them avoid pitfalls and steer towards their true path. They understand that their gut feelings are often messages from their higher self or universal wisdom, and they honor that connection. Moving on to the second hidden mark, profound empathy and compassion. This goes beyond just being nice. Chosen women feel deeply. They can genuinely put themselves in others' shoes, understand their struggles, and respond with heartfelt compassion. This isn't a weakness, it's a superpower. Their empathy allows them to connect with people on a profound level, to heal, to uplift, and to inspire. They often become pillars of support for their communities, friends, and families, simply because their presence brings comfort and understanding. They don't just sympathize, they actively feel with others, creating a space of genuine connection and understanding. This deep well of compassion also fuels their desire to make a positive difference in the world, driving them towards acts of service and kindness that genuinely impact lives. They understand that true strength comes from opening your heart, not closing it off. The third hidden mark is resilience in the face of adversity. Life throws challenges at everyone, but chosen women don't just survive, they transform. They have an incredible ability to bounce back from setbacks, learn from their experiences, and emerge stronger and wiser. They see obstacles not as roadblocks, but as opportunities for growth. This isn't to say they don't feel pain or struggle, but their inner fire refuses to be extinguished. They possess an inner fortitude that allows them to navigate the toughest storms, finding lessons and strength even in the darkest moments. They understand that resilience isn't about avoiding challenges, but about facing them head-on and refusing to let them define their spirit. Their ability to adapt, recover, and keep moving forward is truly remarkable and often inspires those around them. Our fourth hidden mark is an unyielding sense of purpose. Chosen women often have a strong innate knowing that they are here for something more. It's not always a clear defined path from the start, but there's an underlying current that pulls them towards a greater calling. They might be artists, leaders, healers, innovators, or simply incredible mothers and friends, but whatever their role, they infuse it with meaning and intention. They're not just going through the motions, they are actively shaping their lives and the world around them with a deep sense of direction. This purpose often evolves and clarifies over time, but the feeling of being guided towards something significant is a constant companion. They don't just drift through life, they steer it with intention, driven by a profound sense of why they are here. The fifth hidden mark is authenticity and integrity. In a world that often pressures us to conform, chosen women stand firm in who they are. They are true to their values, honest in their interactions, and they live their truth. What you see is what you get, and that genuine nature attracts genuine connections and opportunities. They don't compromise their principles for fleeting approval or superficial gains. This authenticity creates a powerful ripple effect, inspiring others to drop their masks and embrace their true selves. They understand that true power lies in being real, even when it's challenging. This integrity isn't just about what they say, but about how they live their lives, consistently aligning their actions with their deepest values. Next up, the sixth hidden mark, a magnetic aura and presence. When a chosen woman walks into a room, you often feel it. There's a certain light, a quiet strength, or an undeniable charisma that draws people in. It's not about being loud or attention-seeking, it's an energetic quality that makes them captivating. People feel comfortable opening up to them, seeking their counsel, and simply enjoying their company. This magnetic quality comes from a place of self-acceptance, inner peace, and a genuine interest in others. It's an energy that radiates from within, making them natural leaders and inspiring figures without even trying. They don't demand attention. They command it through the sheer force of their positive energy and genuine warmth. And finally, the seventh hidden mark, asterisk, a deep connection to nature and the spiritual world. Asterisk, many chosen women feel a profound pull towards the natural world, the ocean, the mountains, forests, or even just a quiet garden. They find solace, inspiration, and clarity in nature. This often extends to a connection with something greater than themselves. Whether that's a spiritual practice, a belief in universal energy, or a profound sense of interconnectedness. They understand that there's more to life than what meets the eye, and they actively seek to cultivate that deeper understanding. This connection grounds them, rejuvenates them, and often informs their intuition and purpose. They see the sacred in the mundane and understand that their own energy is intertwined with the rhythms of the earth and the universe. So, there you have it, 7 hidden marks that often indicate a woman who is truly chosen in the most beautiful sense of the word. Remember, these aren't exclusive clubs, but rather invitations to recognize and nurture these powerful qualities within yourself. If you saw yourself in any of these marks, know that you are on a remarkable journey, and your unique light is meant to shine brightly. Which of these marks resonated most with you? Or perhaps you've noticed another hidden mark in extraordinary women. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this discussion and want to see more content like this, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Your support means the world. Stay radiant, stay empowered, and I'll see you in the next one.